SMT patch processing process introduction. First, dispensing is to drop red glue to the fixed position of PCB. Its main function is to fix components on PCB board. The equipment used is dispensing machine located in the SMT production line at the front, in or behind the detection equipment. The use of red glue process can increase the viscosity. Second, solder paste printing uses solder paste. Printing machine to print solder paste onto PCB circuit board to prepare for welding of electronic components. Third, the function of mounting is to accurately install the surface assembly components to the fixed position of PCB. The equipment used is the SMT machine, which is located behind the printing machine in the SMT production line. The function of curing is to melt the patch glue so that the surface assembly components of PCB board can be firmly bonded together. The equipment used is curing furnace, which is located behind the SMT machine in the SMT production line. Fifth, the function of ray flow welding is to melt the solder paste so that the surface assembly components and PCBA board can be firmly bonded together. The function of cleaning is to remove the welding residues such as flux that are harmful to human health on the assembled PCB board. The equipment used is a cleaning machine, and the position cannot be fixed online or not. 7. The function of PCBA detection is to detect the welding quality and assembly quality of the assembled PCBA board. The multi-purpose equipment includes magnifying glass, microscope, online tester ICD, non-needle tester, automatic optical testing hour, X-ray testing system, function tester, etc., which can be configured in the appropriate place of the production line. 8th, the role of the repair is to carry out the reverting work on the PCB board that fails to be detected with the tool of soldering iron, repair workstation, and other configuration in the production of any location. XZH Technology Co. Ltd. is a one-stop PCBA service provider. Subscribe to me. Thank you to know more about PCBA knowledge.